Ecology, most people will tell you from what they did in high school, is the study of interactions between plants and animals and their environment. And that is such a passive definition. A way better definition is ecology tells us how the world is running, where you can connect the dots to everything, nature, people, the environment, and understand what's driving change, what will reverse bad changes, what will increase biodiversity. That's what I do as an ecologist. I'd always loved nature as a kid. I watched David Attenborough when I was a kid, and I had to find a way to do what he does and be out in nature and do research on plants and animals. I'm a grass biologist at heart, and 45 years later, I'm still studying grass. Being a professor, though, I have been able over the decades to develop my research in lots of different directions. And I'm in a place which is York University, where I am helping people like me who are the first people in their family of immigrants. So I see myself in so many of the York University students, and I can be a model to them to say, if I can do it, you can do it. Look, I'm incredibly lucky and privileged to have received the Fulbright Canada Distinguished Visiting Professorship to Yale University. I'll be doing research and teaching for the year, and the research will focus on Arctic work and sustainable businesses and raising up Indigenous voices. I'm an ecologist, and the way that I create positive change is by helping people to connect thinking globally and acting locally. In ecology, you always have to be thinking about every single level of how ecosystems function, from the individual plant or ant to the desert biome or the Arctic. And we bring that perspective and that insight to every table that we sit at or every room that we visit. We have one planet, one health. The health of the planet is our health, and there is no planet B.